So the revolt started with an outbreak of mutiny in Meerut on 10th May 1857. After taking over the local administration, sepoys along with people of surrounding village marched to Delhi. They wanted the support of Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. So sepoys came to Red Fort and demanded that the emperor give them his blessings, and Bahadur Shah Zafar had no option but to support them. Uh, Now the revolt of 1857. Sepoys started revolt by capturing the arms from stores and plundering the treasury. Afterward, they attacked and ransacked all government offices like jail, treasury, telegraph office, record room, bungalows, etc. Then proclamation of Hindi, Urdu, and Persian were put up, calling local to join them and exterminate the foreign rules. When ordinary people joined sepoys, mutiny changed to revolt, and the target to attack widened. So during the revolt in towns like Lucknow, Kanpur, Bareilly, the rich people and the money lenders they are also attacked and property were looted as they were seen as allies of British, and they also oppressed the peasant in the recent past. Now ways of communication during the revolt. There have been evidences of communication among the sepoys of different regiment before and during the revolt. Their emissaries moved from one station to other. Sepoys or historians have said panchayats were there, and these were composed of native officers drawn from each regiment. Some of the decisions were taken collectively by these panchayat. Sepoys shared a common lifestyle, and many of them came from the same caste, so that they sat together and made their own rebellion. Now, some famous leaders and followers of the revolt. To fight the British, leadership and organization were necessary. For leadership, rebels turned to those rulers to whom Britishers were overthrown. Most of these displaced rulers joined the revolt due to the pressure of locals or due to their own zeal. At some places, religious leaders also took the leadership and inspired people to fight, like Fakir in Meerut and religious leaders in Lucknow who preached destruction of British rule. Then the local leaders like Shamal in Barut, Uttar Pradesh, a tribal leader of Kol tribe and Singhbum mobilized the communities for the revolt. Then there are some rumors which played an important role in the outbreak of mutiny and revolt. So there was rumor about the cartridge of rifle which is coated with the fat of cow and pigs and mixing of bones dust with atta. Both these rumors were believed, and it was thought that it would corrupt the religion and the caste of both Hindus and Muslims. There was a fear that British wanted Indians to convert them to Christianity. So British rule would come to an end on the concentric Battle of Plassey on 23rd June 1857. So these rumors, these all are a kind of rumor.